But we never had stuff in the storeroom that expired. So, yeah, question.
I don't mean to interrupt, but
nope.
there's a little baby mouse in the house.
No way! There's a mouse?
That's why we started wiggling real quick. We're like, there's a mouse. And it's like, oh.
I saw behind you earlier.
We need custodians ASAP. We need custodians like right now. I don't know, but I don't want to be his friend.
Check your bags.
All right, y'all, you threw me for a loop in Idaho. I will never forget Idaho.
I saw it earlier, and I said,
He got him? Got him? Got him, okay. Okay. Okay, everybody look under their tables. All right. All right, so the poor guy went through the wall, but we will monitor the wall. So Dottie, can you just change locations and monitor the wall? Thank you. There's a chair. So I know how exciting how exciting procurement can get, but this is a little much. All right, we will let them worry about the mouse and we'll keep going.